Hey guys, this is me Periodic Cuber, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to lubricate your cube with Maru Lube. So the lube costs 200 rupees or $3, which is a great price for this kind of lubricant. In this video I'll be lubing the MoYu LingPo 2x2 and the MoYu AoLong version 2. Before starting, just shake the bottle well, then open the cap, for the 3x3 make a hole just like so. Put only 2 drops, not more than that, only 2 drops. One and 2. After you've put the Maru Lube, just work your cube around, do 2 or 3 salts, and you'll see a big difference. Do the same for the 2x2. Shake the bottle well, open the cap, but this time put the lube on these screws or in these holes. 1 and 2. Close the cap. Work your cube around. Do 2-3 salts. And you're done. That's all for the video, folks. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button down there, like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.